Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Nifty ends this week at 23,290 and Bank Nifty at 49,800. This is a very interesting video. We are going to analyze the long-term view for Indian stock market, that is Nifty, Bank Nifty and broader markets, mid cap and small cap. We are going to discuss what is the long-term situation, what way we are in and what we can expect in this entire 2024 and upcoming 2025. I request everyone that don't skip this video. I 100% guarantee that you will learn a lot of things in Elliott Wave, and I will share the most practical way of using the Elliott waves. So if you're interested in wave theory, don't skip this video. And I have an important announcement or important update to you, and I am pretty sure that also going to be a very good beneficial thing for your stock market trading. So the idea is we are going to discuss the long-term view for all the four indices and what we may expect in the next week also. Okay, and also an important announcement for the enhancement of your trading skills. So kindly watch the video fully for better understanding. Let's start this weekend important video. So before proceeding to the all our analysis part, I want to share you only one important thing here. See, this I shared when the market fall because of the election results. See, please listen to the below video fully. This is how we identified this correction in markets in 1st June, and more importantly with reasons. That is what very important. You will learn about intermarket divergences along with the wave counts. It may help you in future. See, this I shared in our previous weekend video also. Nifty not moved as expected because mostly the Nifty are managed, and if you see the broader markets, it exactly moved as per our prediction. And I also taught a few important skill which is very highly helpful in identifying the tops and bottoms. To be frank, I am a little disappointed when I shared in the Twitter. Not most people interested in this learning. Most of the people are interested in getting the tips and instant gratifications or something. They are not interested in the learning part. So at least whoever interested in the learning part, I will share the video again here, just a 2-minute video. When you combine the intermarket divergences with the wave counts, trust me, you can easily identify the tops and bottoms. So I will just share the 2-minute video, just see it, and even you can check in your previous charts. See the difference in mid cap. See this on May 2nd. Okay, this high on May 2nd and this high on May 27th. So this May first week and May last week. But if you see in small cap, it made a lower low. Okay, see, this is called an intermarket divergence. This mid cap 150 made a higher high, and this small cap made a equal high or lower high. This is intermarket divergence. How it resolve? Either small cap may follow mid cap by going higher, or the mid cap may come lower. See, now counting is little different. I straight away I cannot mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I cannot mark here this is correction and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot mark here because simple reason, corrections are 3 ways, and I don't find a clear 3-wave here. See, a lot of times I'm explaining in my Twitter post that some indices are moving differently. Nifty moving one side and the broader markets are moving a different way. In Bank Nifty also, you can clearly see not made a new high. Only Nifty made a new high. So there are a lot of intermarket divergences. So possibly this coming weeks may resolve in a better way. So that's why we want to wait and see how the indices are resolving. So how I can count now? What I want to do is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and all this can be wave 5, and I will start counting as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? The wave 5, that is this fifth wave, are extending as of now. This is what I understand now. So I cannot mark in anticipation. When considering all other factors, in small cap also, it can be ABC, right? There is a possibility of ABC and may start moving higher. This is also possible. So we need to see how it is resolving, because the divergence are coming in the upper side. So possibly a correction is still open, right? As you just saw, this is what happened in the small cap. Okay, A, B, C. I will alter the counts now. This is what we anticipated in mid cap, right? See, even this level, if you remember, I said this level also. See, I counted like this: wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and all are subdivisions of wave 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it is 4, it needs to start at the 38.2%, because 50%, if it comes to 50%, it will touch the starting point of this wave 1, which is not allowed. So most probably this wave 4 will stop at the 38.2% and moves higher and will come back. This I said in the previous week also. See, exactly happen. Okay, this is how the waves works. Even if you are a learner of my course, just check the targets here. See, the extended wave 5 can reach 100% of 1 to 3 distance, and see 100%. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you check the minor 5 subways, you can get a double confirmation of 50%. See, this is one live example. Whoever registered in my course, you can see here the two confirmations of end of wave 5. Okay, so now coming to Nifty. So this is a weekly chart of Nifty. See, I shared, I think, yesterday when it was trading around 22,820. Weekly chart, the price already reached the minimum retracement of 23.6%. Okay, let me share the post. Okay, this is the analysis I shared on 6th June. So from 2020 low, this is wave 1 and wave 2, and we are in wave 3. In that wave 3, I marked as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 to complete this 3. Okay, this is the assumption. And if you see, the price already reached the minimum retracement of 23.6%, which is sufficient to complete the wave 4 of 3, this point. Okay, 4 of this 3. At the same time, sideways or correction is still possible. If price makes a new high with impulse wave, we may assume the trend resumed, and until that, the subwave 4 in process. This is what I shared yesterday, but I have analyzed, it took so much of time to reconsider and reanalyze other possibilities. When combined with the other indices, I have a new count in Nifty, so I will share that new count. So in this way, I analyze that there is a possibility of subwave 4 end date and may move higher. Okay, but what I have changed the count now. See, this is the Nifty chart now. Okay, this is wave 1 here, this wave 1 and wave 2. So from this low, I'm going to start counting the new impulse wave, right? Okay, so all these are part of wave 3. You know very well that the wave 3 will most probably, most of the cases, will reach minimum 1.618 times of wave 1 distance. So if it is wave 1, wave 2, and all are part of wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I marked here, 3, 4 and 5. See, this is what I marked here. Same thing. That's why I said in one of my previous video, there is a possibility of resistance may come here because it already reaches 1.618 times of this wave 1 distance. Okay. And because of this reason, the price has halted here for 2 to 3 months and the price is now moving away this region. But are we completed this 3? This is what I shared here, but I changed that and I'm having a different opinion now. We are maybe still in wave 3. Why? See, I remove this wave now. I'm assuming that we are still in 3 of 3 because this is the internal count. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Okay. But if you check with the fib numbers, the same logic between wave 1 and wave 3, the wave 3 just reached 100% of wave 1, which is typically allowed for the minor sub waves. Yes, it is allowed. Okay, I have seen in some situations that the bigger wave 3 reaches 1.618 times, but if you count the minor sub waves within that wave 3, it will reach only approximately 100% or 123% approximately in that zone. But if you count from this is daily chart. Okay, just for seeing more details, this is wave 1, right? And this is wave 2. In larger picture, this wave should reach the 1.618 times of this wave 1. That will comes around over 30,000. Okay, that's the projection for 1.618 times of this wave 1. That is over 30,000 in Nifty for completing the wave 3 alone. Okay, if that is the case, why this wave 3 ends here? There is a lot more to go higher. So by bringing the larger view, I assume the wave 3 itself not over, all are part of subwave 3 of 3 of 3. This is what my count now. So where it may go to complete this 3 of 3 of 3, possibly to 24,200 here, right? Then a wave 5 to complete this wave 3 and a wave 4 and a wave 5. All are part of bigger wave 3. Wait, I will show the count also, right? I hope you understand now. So this is wave 1 and wave 2. Next we are in wave 3. In that wave 3, we are 1, 2, all are wave 3s only, and wave 3 itself not at over. So in this way only the price can reach higher targets. Now we can check the wave 4 retracement, whether it is this dip is sufficient or not. Here wave 1, wave 2. Let me remove this. Now I am checking the count within this wave. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Here it is maybe wave 4 and wave 5. Okay. Maybe the complex correction in wave 4 possibly. So if we took this way, the retracement level is 50%. Okay, 50%. A deeper wave 4 because a very shallow wave 2, which is acceptable. So in this way, there are a lot of chances that the correction has been over at 21,400 and the price may start moving higher to 24,200 levels, right? That is what we discussed, right? Yes, 24,200. This is what the level expected to complete the wave 3 of 3 of 3. Let me explain again. Don't get confused. See, merely just counting the highs and lows as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will not bring a sufficient value to our wave counts. We need to analyze and we need to bring fib numbers also to match the wave counts. So what I did, so right from this low, I expect the wave 3 to proceed. It minimum to reach 1.618 times, but it reaches 22,700, which is sufficient. Yes, but if I check the internals of this third wave does not reach 1.618 times. There is a higher possibility that the price to go 24,200 to complete the 3 of 3. So all are part of this minor impulse. If we take like this is wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3, we are in wave 3. In this wave 3, we have completed only 1, 2, 3, 4. So this low can reach 38% to 50% of this wave 3 distance, and by using this fib number that matches 50% retracement because the wave 2 is very shallow, theory of alternation and a fast decline. So bringing the theory of alternation also sufficient reason that the correction is possibly over and we are moving towards 24,200, right? So this is just completing the wave 3 of 3. Okay, this is the larger picture. 1, 2, all are 3 and 4 and a 5 to complete only the bigger wave 3. Okay, then a 4 and then a 5. So long way to go in Nifty, right? So this is the understanding. See, these are very practical ideas how to check whether we are getting the correct count or not. Okay, so make use of it. And this is the opinion on Nifty on a long-term view. So possibly the correction has been over and the price will start moving higher to 24,200 as the minimum target to complete this 3 of 3. Right, this is the Nifty. And I will come to the Bank Nifty because it is very actually it is very difficult to analyze the Bank Nifty. I made some assumptions to in line with the broader markets and Nifty. I come to Bank Nifty in a while, so we will finish the broader markets. So small cap. Okay. See, mid cap and small cap, similar to Nifty, broader markets reach the minimum retracement of 23.6%, which is sufficient to complete the wave 4 of 3, right? So wave 1 and wave 2, we are in wave 3. This wave 3 can reach the 1.68 of 23,000 approximately. So all these waves can be the part of bigger wave 3. That's the first understanding. Okay. In that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, in this 4 has been reached 23.6%, which is minimum retracement allowed. We can even have an alternation theory that sideways wave 2 and a sharp wave 4. I think I shared that. Yes, a sideways 2 of 3 and a fast 4 of 3 for alternation theory. But still there are chances of more sideways to correction is possible in this 4 of 3. Suppose the 4 is not completed, the price may take some sideways price action here. That is what I said here. So all-time high with the impulse wave confirms the correction has been completed. Same like Nifty. And here also see a slight adjustment to go in line with the Nifty, that the correction is possibly over. So this is mid cap 150, and I shared the small cap also. So bigger wave 1, wave 2, and wave 1, 2, 3, 4 already reaches 23.6%, and we may start moving higher in the wave 3. If you remember, I said here when the price trades here, we may face a resistance and a pullback, and the price may move higher, and even I said that there is a higher chances of price may move above the channel, which is the basic character of wave 3. Okay, we will discuss that. Now coming to the chart. Okay, this is small cap chart. So what is the slight alteration I did here? See, in Nifty, we said that we are in 3 of 3 itself not completed. But in a small cap, I believe that 3 of 3 has been completed because it reaches the top channel, and we should move in 5 of 3. Okay, but in my opinion, all the indices are in, except Bank Nifty, all the indices are in primarily in wave 3 only. Okay, wave 3 is not yet over. Why? It's already in channel top. Can we mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the completion of bigger wave 3? I think this one. I'm saying this 3. There's a possibility, right? Completion of wave 3 and a bigger correction. But the thing is, again, same, the wave 3 can reach 1.618 times, and 1.618 times comes to 21,800 in a small cap 100. Even if you take 1.382 is comes to 19,800. So there is a lot more space to go. So I believe this wave 3 may move higher above this channel. So how to count now? Okay, this is the idea now. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay, this is the internal counts of small cap. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay. So in this way, we can complete the wave 3s here. I mean 3 of 3, and corrections are always 3-way structure A, B, C. And the price may start moving higher. How far this wave 4 reached? This is the wave 2. Okay. So I'm completing wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Okay. So I want to take the retracement from this level, exactly 23.6%, and a 3-way pullback. So there is a higher chances that the correction has been over. But yes, the broader markets may come lower to around 38.2% also. But I will say the reasons for the primary reason for already the correction has been completed. This is the initial level to complete the correction. I can see a 3-wave decline, right? So 3-wave decline, and yes, the wave 4 can, yes, agreed, it can reach 38% too, and it can come to 14,000. But considering the Bank Nifty and Nifty situations, there are chances that the correction has been over and the price may move higher. Anyway, we will check in coming week whether we are moving downwards or making an all-time high with the impulse structure. So that is what I said in the post, right? See, so all-time high with the impulse wave confirms the correction has been completed. But my primary view, there are higher chances that correction has been over because of these reasons. Okay, the minimum requirement has been done. Now, if you check in depth, this wave 3 is smaller than wave 1. There are other ways to count. I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and initially I did that. I will explain that. So in this way I can see only 1 2 3 4 5, but if you know the real rules of Elliott wave, this can be allowed as an impulse wave. The rules of Elliott wave says that the wave 3 cannot be the shortest. Okay, many are misunderstood that the wave 3 should be always the long wave. No, in most of the cases it happens, but the real rule of Elliott wave says that the wave 3 cannot be the shortest. That means either wave 1 or wave 5 can be the shortest. So if you check with the wave 3, the wave 5 not even cross the 100%, the 100% comes here. So this is definitely smaller than wave 3. So here in 1 2 3 4 5, the smallest wave is wave 5. Okay, so in that case the rules are satisfied. So I believe this A, B, C, and even this expanded flat, you can check that where the wave C ends. Exactly 1.618 times. Okay, this is how the fib numbers work like magic. There are some fib numbers you should be used with the wave theory. Okay, for wave 2 certain fib numbers, wave 4 certain fib numbers. If it is a zigzag, certain fib numbers. The B wave of a flat will have a different fib number, and the B wave of a zigzag will have a different fib number. But all these fib numbers will work like a magic. All these informations are elaborately explained in my course. Right. Considering all these conditions, there is a higher chances that the correction has been over in the small cap also. Okay. So in the small cap, my count is slightly different than Nifty. That this is 1 2 3 has been completed, 4 has been completed, and the 5 of 3 should follow, and the initial confirmation is the price making all-time high, breaking above the channel. That is very, very important, friends. The wave 3 will move above the channel. Usually it will break above the channel. Let's say character of wave 3. Let us wait whether it moves above the channel or it making a sideways something or moving after that. Anyway, I believe that the price will move above the channel. If the correction has been over, it may give a small pullback and move higher. And if the correction is still in process, it may become a sideways pattern. Let us wait for the confirmation in coming weeks. So this is the larger picture, long way to go in broader markets. This is small cap. I hope you understand the theory. Okay. Elliott wave theory, I'm making the complicated subject, a complicated topic very easily with real life situation. I believe it will help in your learning process. Same like Nifty, sorry, same like small cap. This is mid cap 150. So same like small cap. This is mid cap 150. This is bigger wave 1, and we're expecting a wave 3. The 1.618 level comes to 22,700. So what I think is this is wave 1 and wave 2. All are wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5, which may complete this wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay. The same logic as per the small cap. Small cap, the 3 of 3 has been completed. Mid cap also I'm completing the 3 of 3 here. And 4 and 5. Okay, same logic, same situation. You can check in the mid cap 150. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can easily check that the wave 3 is smaller than the wave 1. This wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you check the wave 5, even smaller. So the rules are not violated. Now the bank Nifty. See, mid cap 150, same as per the small cap. So that's why I not took so much of time to explain the same concepts again. So possibly the mid cap also completed the correction and in align with the broader markets and Nifty. So now I need to align the Bank Nifty with the other indices. See, first of all, the Elliott Wave itself, the extension of Dow theory. So Dow theory is the basic thing you need to learn about stock market. In Dow theory, there are other principles. The most important three principles: the prices moves in trend, uptrend, downtrend, or sideways, and the volume factor will support the trend. Third one, all the indices will move together, move similar. That's why you have learn about the intermarket divergence, right? So somehow the market will get resolved and move in a similar way. That's the fundamental idea on Dow theory. So now Nifty uptrend, we are in wave 3. Broader market, small cap, mid cap in wave 3. So now Bank Nifty should also be in wave 3. That's why I'm saying the this thing lot of times in our weekend analysis, that Bank Nifty, if it supports the market, the Bank Nifty has a huge potential upside. But at the same time, if Bank Nifty comes lower, it may alter the wave count of all other indices altogether. Okay, so the key is Bank Nifty. This is what I'm saying almost for 2-3 months now. So in align with other indices, I'm trying to count the Bank Nifty also, assuming we are in wave 3 in Bank Nifty. So this is what I shared for Bank Nifty. Weekly chart, 49,000. Not a convincing pattern, as I said now, but clearly it is lagging other indices. All other indices are, see, upward movements. Upward, upward, but Bank Nifty moving in sideways. So it is lagging other indices. Made assumptions to make Bank Nifty in line with other indices. If moves as anticipated, there is a much more space in the banks and it can beat the other indices. This is valid only when the price makes all-time high with the impulse wave structure as usual, and below 45,000 we need a reanalysis or recount. So this is what the chart I shared. I will explain it in detail now. See, now in my mind that I need to make the Bank Nifty count within the wave 3. Okay, this is what my idea, because I want to make this Bank Nifty in align with the other indices. So this is wave 1 and wave 2, and we all are in wave 3. Okay, we'll just draw a line like this. So first step is over. Now I want to check these counts. I want to frame a structure that it allows us to make a valid reason that we are in wave 3. Okay, you can count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and a complex structure in wave 2. So now how to count this to in align with the bullish structure? This is wave 1. Again, this is wave 1, wave 2. I want to make it as wave 3. Right. Okay. This is the assumption now. See, all are like, usually in wave patterns, impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the wave 4 low will not touch the wave 1 high. Okay. If it touches, it cannot be the impulse wave. The only wave, the only wave pattern which can violate this rule, that is the wave 4 high can touch the top of wave 1 and still we can count it as an impulse wave, is the diagonals. So I am trying, there's a possibility of diagonal here, and diagonal is a wedge pattern. Before that, see this channel. Okay, the price still in a valid channel uptrend. If you remember, I have shared in Twitter, when the price reaches here, I said the Bank Nifty reaches important support. Exactly, the price got support. I not took the screenshot today. This is what I shared in the Twitter, that the Bank Nifty reaches important support line. So this is the important support. So now I want to make this count as wave 3. That is what my background idea. So I can see a wedge pattern. See, many are, yes, there is a possibility that we can count it as ABC and a fall. Absolutely, you can make it. But the situation is I want to make in line with the other indices. Other indices are bullish. So for that reason, I am counting it as A, B, C, D, E. That is a leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A leading diagonal, that is subwave. 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3 may proceed. Okay. Wait, I changed this color to. Okay. So, okay, let me forget these numbers. This is wave 1 and wave 2, and we are in wave 3 of 3. Okay. There are other subways, but it will become more complicated in chart. While you're seeing it is not good to understand. That's why I remove all these numbers. I'm concentrating only on the subways. We are in bigger wave 3. In that wave 3, this is wave 1 and wave 2. All are part of 3 of 3. In that 3 of 3, the first wave comes as a leading diagonal, and we may expect a 3 of 3 of 3 to proceed. This is what my expectation. If this happens, there is a much space left in the Bank Nifty. That's why I said if moves as anticipated, there is a much more space in banks. So the wave 2, the retracement. So this is wave 1 and wave 2. This is wave 1. How far it has reached? 38%, which is normal for a leading diagonal. In many situations, I explained that leading diagonal, the wave 2 in leading diagonal, there are a lot of times it may settle between 38% to 50%. It will not reach 61.8%. In some situations only, it reaches 61 or beyond. Most of the cases, the wave 2 of leading diagonals settles between 38.2 to 50%. In this case, it stops at 38.2%. So there is higher chances that wave 1 and wave 2 has been completed, and maybe 3 of 3 may start in the banks. So this is the view in line with the other indices. I'm repeating again and again. Okay, to follow the Dow theory, follow the other indices, I am making a judgment like this. Let us wait for coming weeks to decide. At the same time, crossing below this D point, 44,000. Okay, 44,000. We need a different approach. It also reached 61 point. Okay, until that we can wait. 16.43. Okay, 44 to 43,000. These are important levels. If below these levels, we should think about the other alternatives. But if it comes down, the entire bullish structure will be questioned. That is what the most important thing here. So this is the long-term view for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and broader markets. I hope you understand a lot of things, how to view a chart. This is the view, a long-term view for Indian stock market, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and broader markets. I not only shared the view, I said how we need to calculate a lot of practical tips. Many have asked, few are not able to register in the course. So for them, it may be useful. So there are a lot of other things in the Elliott Wave to make you more comfortable in analyzing the charts. So if you wish, you can register my course, all the details in the description. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this long-term view, and also I believe these things may help you in your Elliott Wave learnings. I took a lot of time to bring all those indices in line with other indices. Okay, so with a lot of effort only, I'm sharing all these informations. If you like, you can subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Now we can move on to the next week expectation. What we can expect in the next week. Right. Before that, this point, see, considering Bank Nifty taking support from very important channel support, I shared a couple of days back. Considering Bank Nifty taking support when it was trading, taking support here. Okay, important channel support. Nifty almost reached the expected retracement level, LD or normal impulse, and broader markets taking support from 61.8% retracement. Hopefully, I'm assuming the correction part has been over. So this is what I shared a couple of days back. But here the important learning, one more learning, broader markets taking support from 61.8%. Actually, this was the view which I had earlier, but I now changed. The reason is, say for example, what I expected was this is the completion of wave 3. This is also one possibility, just have it as an alternative. Okay. 4 and 5. Okay. 3 completed. And this is 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this fourth wave has been reached between 23% to 38%, which is valid. And you can see a 3 wave down. But you know that wave 3 has a lot more space upside. So what I initially thought was, still it is valid. It can be wave 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and 5 of 5 to proceed. Okay, in this way, I'm expecting the wave 5 to extend. So this is wave 2 of 5. Okay, so if you check the retracement, it reaches 61.8%. So A, B, C. Okay, so that's the reason I said broader markets taking support from 61.8% retracement. Now, by checking the weekly time frame, I have an alternate view that I just now shared. So this is only part of wave 3 and wave 5. Okay. Yeah, A, B, C, a fourth wave, and fifth to proceed. So while checking in the weekly chart, a slight change. Okay, that's the reason for sharing this information. This is also very good learning for you, because whenever you get the fifth wave, you cannot mark it as first impulse. We need to see where it is appearing. It can be a 5-wave impulse in the last fifth wave also. You will expect a 61-point retracement to buy, but it will go below that. So all the 5 waves are not the wave 1. We need to consider the broader view also. Okay, so a simple thing I want to share it with you, because two things, both are valid, but if you check in the weekly time frame, this will be my primary view now. So we are going to start the wave 5. Initially I said I was in marking like 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5. That's why I said the 61%. But while checking the weekly chart, I primarily go with that we may start the wave 5 now. The 1 of 5, 2 of 5 may proceed. So this is the thing I want to share. Okay. So what we can expect in the coming week? Hourly chart. See, I think the price will get rejected or face resistance at the all-time high. Most of the cases it will face a resistance. So only way to escape the all-time high resistance is gap up and continuing. The price gap ups this above level and closes above this level, the price may move beyond it, or else most probably this will get rejected and will may face a resistance. So since my primary view is correction has been over, I counting like this: wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 may proceed. So in wave 3 you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if the price rejects, the important level we need to say is, I'm assuming the price is rejecting at 23,300 all time high. The first level of support is 22,950 and the second level of support is 22,720. So probably this is small, so we may expect some pullback to 22,720 to 22,650. Okay, there are chances that if not gap up and continuing, the price may retrace to 22,700 to 22,650. Sorry, 22,700 to 22,650, and then price may cross the all-time high to confirm it is making a impulse move. Now you read the same thing here. I shared in all the indices that so all-time high with impulse wave confirms the correction has been completed. Now just check the same thing. So crosses this all-time high with impulse wave structure confirms the correction has been over and we are resume the uptrend, and we discuss a lot about the long-term view in this video. I hope you got the view, okay, for the next week and longer term. In Bank Nifty, see this exactly happened. Our price exactly reversed from 49,672 and our expected level is 49,700. Now if the price wants to move higher, see if it is an impulse wave, it may take this shape. The first level of support is between 48,750 to 48,900, and I move to hourly chart. See where it got support. $48,910 or $915. Okay, the precise level of support 48,900. If only the price not supported, we can expect a next support 48,450. Simple, the same logic of wave 4. See the exact level of rejection. See the exact level of rejection here. And not even change the any line. 49,694 is the market line, and see the this I took on 5th June and 6th June. See exactly price stopped there and come lower. 49,694, 49,694, and we expected a support around 48,900, and we got the support at 48,900 and moved above that, right? See how precisely it is working. So this is what the update on Bank Nifty also. See, so Bank Nifty, maybe it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Nifty may be still in port of impulse. It can be ABC, yes, but the given nature and my primary view is correction has been possibly over. I am counting it as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and wave 4. The wave 5 may proceed some, maybe this gap 50,500. So Bank Nifty, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly the after fifth wave. I am assuming one more small high is pending. Let us check that. Maybe around, I don't know why it is not, the numbers is not visible. Okay, for example, if it rejects at for 50,175, okay, and the second is 50,500, but Nifty already at resistance, so possibly it may face a rejection unless it is a gap up. So first level is 50,100. I'm imagining that if it rejects from 50,100, we may expect some support to 49,000 to 48,750. So then If moves higher, we may get the all-time highs with the impulse wave pattern. I mean like this. We are not confirming now, but assuming if the price moves like this, it may be the first impulse wave and the uptrend may resume. So this is what the expectation in Nifty and Bank Nifty in coming week and coming months. I hope you enjoyed this video. I believe I have made this complicated subject into a very simple thing. And one important announcement or one important update I want to share it with you. See, you know very well that I have an Elliott Wave course just launched a couple of months before, and I thank you so much. Many people have registered. Thanks for your trust in me. I am receiving daily two kind of mails and messages. One is like the price is little unaffordable for me, and this kind of messages. See, there are Elliott Wave courses, okay, mostly theoretical and yes, somewhat practical, but they are charging more than 20,000, minimum 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, even above 1 lakh. And in our course, I'm going to give support for the period of 1 year and lot of practical things. 100% practical methods has been used in this course. You will study the rules, theories itself in 100% practical way. As I said, I have used 350 plus charts in course part alone. And even I shared one chart, MGL, 1 month before, exactly the price reached 1200 and the price is bouncing from that level. See, these things you may not get in other places and for this price. So this the course price you can easily take in 1 or 2 trades, but the knowledge and the support, the practical knowledge of Elliott Wave you are going to have for the lifetime. So just consider all these things. For I'm responding for the one type of query I'm receiving almost daily regarding the unaffordable price. I quoted this price comparing the similar courses available in the market, and we are providing continued learnings, how to take trades, everything. So the second thing is, the second type of message I am receiving from many people is they feel that the Elliott Wave is complicated for them. So they need a basic tradable technical analysis, what we call it as a simple technical analysis. So what they are saying is, once they learn the basic technical analysis and made some money, then they can enter register our Elliott Wave course. This is what I am getting some mails regularly. What I have decided is I'm planning to start a new series of videos absolutely for free in our YouTube channel, right from the scratch. Okay, how you want to see the chart patterns, candlestick patterns, multiple indicators like MACD, stochastics, RSI, moving averages. Okay, how we need to use these patterns, how we need to take trades for a momentum trade or positional trade, whatever, from proper entry, stop loss, and targets. So this is what I am having idea in my mind now. So even these things also I have learned by paying more than 25,000. Yes, this is true, but I'm going to share everything for free. So if someone gets benefited, it really happy for me. So I have already a paid course of Elliott Wave. I cannot make it free. So I make it this classical technical analysis for free in our YouTube channel. So I may start series of videos probably from coming week. So from scratch to taking trades. So I believe that video course will be highly helpful for everyone if you are a very beginner, and it will be definitely helpful for you. So this is the important update I want to share it with you. So two things. If you want to register Elliott Wave, don't think about the price. Think about the value you get for your life. And if you are facing the Elliott Wave is highly complicated or little difficult for you, I will start the uh, simple technical classical analysis from next week for free in our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. So make use of it, learn it, apply it, make money, and if you wish, you can register in the Elliott Wave course. Not only, I'm not asking to learn only from me. Whoever you wish, you can start learning. But the only thing is, don't stop the learning. That is what I want to say to you all. So thank you. Please share your opinion also about this new series and everything. So thank you so much. I took more time in this video because we shared a lot of things in this video, a long-term view on Indian stock markets and how to analyze the uh, indices in overall picture. And so kindly subscribe the channel for learning the Elliott waves and also the new upcoming series of everything about the technical analysis. So subscribe the channel, share it with your friends and traders. Thanks for all your support. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in next week. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.